Into the market outlook. So we've been dealing with a volatile market. You know, we it's no stranger. Stocks came in from highs very hard. We had a very volatile week last week, and we ended Friday with a big reversal to the upside, which we continued into that strength that we saw today. So we did well with the bounce. We did well playing it. I don't think it's a long-term bottom is in. I think we're just kind of getting a bear market bounce here. So I'm looking for this bounce to continue, one or two more days. I think we'll start to see some weakness, though, as the S&P gets into these previous resistance areas. Very simple. I think the volatility is going to stick around. What are your thoughts over there?
Yeah, so this morning we do like the Monday morning pre-market call, and we kind of go over the broad market and main top ideas and very similar outlook. For now, that's a short-term bottom, but I don't think that's going to be the bottom forever. And like you said, we should expect some type of bounce considering what we saw today and going into Friday. But we can easily retest those lows in time, as we've seen with a lot of prior corrections where we need that. Like if this area is to hold in those corrections, it's like you have to kind of retest that major low, and it can be months later, and then it gets that footing, and then that is the real out, and then we can kind of push higher. So very very similar outlook to what you're looking at as well.